Welcome back. Today we are at Motor Sportsland up in Salt Lake City, Utah, and I may have found the smallest toy hauler I have ever seen. This thing's pretty dang cool. What we have today is the Rog by Encore RV, and this is the, make sure I get the name right, the 14 TH2. So it's a 14-ish foot toy hauler. I've never seen a toy hauler this small. This thing is cool. And I think there's a lot of people that would be in the market for this size of a toy hauler. So let's walk around, show you what this has, and then hop inside and show you where you'll put your toys. Starting right up front, it comes with an electric hitch. I know this is something that's not needed, but it is really nice just to press the up button or the down button instead of cranking away on it. Along with that, you have your standard propane tank here and your spare tire. Notice it does have a little bit more off-roady tires, so it gives you a little bit more capabilities. One thing to point out as well with the Rogs is they have all aluminum construction. There is no wood used on this trailer, which if you've had RVs, you know how bad wood can be. It can get wet, it swells, it warps. It's so nice that they've went away from using wood-based products. Along with that, they've switched to Asdel, which is so nice because it doesn't delaminate and all those sort of things. Right up front, you have your hitch. It is a 2 5/16. It's not an off-road hitch because this isn't an off-road, style trailer, being a toy hauler, that sort of thing. But I like that it has a 2 5/16 hitch. It's just a little bit bigger hitch for you. Coming down the side, you have your shore power right up front, along with your stabilizers. You have one on each corner. You have your cable right there. You have your solar prepped, so you can just hook your little solar charger right there. And let's look at the weights. So the gross vehicle weight rating on this unit is 4,400 pounds. Not too bad. It might be a little bit too heavy for some of the smaller SUVs, but half-ton trucks, those sort of things, for sure, this is good for. And the payload on it, or the cargo capacity, is 1,258. So you can put quite a bit of weight into this trailer. Opening up the cargo box, right here, is where your battery would go. They don't have a battery in it right now, but you do have your battery spot here. I'm guessing it's for a lithium since there's only one. But you can see, all your wires. It's really nice that they have lights in here so that way you can actually see, but there's plenty of room for another battery as well. It wouldn't be a big deal to put another battery in that. And I like how these latches shut. They shut really nice. And I like that it's not a push button here, it's an actual lever. Kind of cool. Kind of interesting, we have our ladder up towards the front. And one thing I've noticed with these Rogs is how sturdy their ladders are. I love when I see a good ladder on a trailer because you have to get up on the roof. And those rinky-dink ones that most manufacturers put on are scary. This thing, I don't hesitate to climb up on it. So let's go up top and look and see what's up there. Up on top, you can see it comes with a roof rack that covers the whole length of the trailer. So you could put a rooftop tent, all that sort of stuff, bike racks, whatever. You also have your Dometic air conditioner and you have a max fan. So nice they put this roof rack up here so you can put cargo boxes, whatever. Coming down the side, instead of having to slide out, it does have like the tent trailer style fold outs. And once we get inside, you'll see why you do that. Coming around the back side, nice big light up here. But the main thing and the most important thing with any toy hauler is the ramp. So let's look at this. That may be the lightest ramp door I've ever lifted. Usually they're so much larger. Now, this is a small toy hauler, but you could put so much stuff up in here. This is cool. This would be perfect to haul, 2 or 3 motorcycles or one ATV, bikes, kayak, all those things. Most side-by-sides, I guess maybe if you had one of the smaller trail-rated Razors would fit, but most side-by-sides aren't going to fit in this. But heck, you could put a Harley, anything like that. It has quite a bit of room.
So with this unit is you are going minimal, but you are not lacking in the amenities. Coming inside, you have your beds on both sides. They flop out of the way. That's the tent configuration we were talking about on the outside. So really nice, useful space. You still have the inside that you can move about and use. I guess if you really didn't want to fold them out, you can move the mattresses in and just sleep on the floor. They're probably about 6 feet long, so a good length there. Nice thing about this side is you have this tabletop that kind of brackets in that you can use on either side. Usually in these small units, you are losing out on the amenities, and this one's not. You've got your tabletop right here. You can take it out, you can move it around. If you want it on the other side, you just move it right over. And the nice thing is you still have walking room when the table is out. Wide open space. Kitchen area. In this kitchen area, you've got your sink right here. You've got a little range with 2 burners. You've got your fridge, fairly good sized fridge right here. That's nice and cold. Not only your fridge, but you've got a microwave if you needed one. Up above, really nice storage, fairly deep. And if you're seeing, there's no wood. This is composite, or they're using the aluminum in here as well. This is kind of your command center up top, all your lights, your power, your pumps, your freshwater monitor, your sound system, everything right up there, which is nice because it's out of the way, but you can still see it.
And I like that it's a really actually nice toggle switch. It's not some chintzy little plastic thing or some computer screen to try to control everything. So I like that they have nice little toggles.
And right here next to your kitchen, pantry, storage, closet, whatever may be for you. All the accessories in there. Other things in here, you've got a max air fan if you just need a little airflow. You've also got your AC unit. It is a little low, you may hit your head, so beware of that. Up above the beds, you do have some nice bungee storage up there as well.
If you're looking for a small toy hauler that you can haul your stuff, get out to wherever, it's minimalistic, it's just what you need. It's easily towable by most vehicles. This Rog TH2 might be the unit for you. Motor Sportsland has it for sale for under $35,000. It is a really, really cool little toy hauler. And if you're interested in this, contact Motor Sportsland. We'll put all their information down below. This little toy hauler is pretty dang cool. I think it checks the boxes for what a lot of us really want. I know we all look at those giant Raptors, you know, the 40 footers, but you can go a lot of places with this thing. You can haul your toys, you can sleep, you can cook. It checks the boxes. So, as always, thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, all those sort of things, and enjoy your weekend.